I'ma head out then.
Okay, go sit on this side.
Yeah, come on this side.
Yeah, come on this side so I can give me some wind.
Other side.
Beat, I can watch it, but no beat, running wallet. Kill everybody walking. You know how this all the finest. Timmy. Young boy, we from niggas with a change, all the dead niggas with a dead niggas with a fuck five, you so nothing niggas getting from
Yeah, you put it together that time, man.
Yeah, yo, slowly getting better.
Hey, man, I don't know if it can get no better than that, though. What you run? Them custom cars, ain't it?
No, off the shelf ZV6 18.
ZV6 18?
Yep.
Ooh,
taking everything apart as a winner, redo everything.
You gonna redo it?
Yep.
All the doors getting redone.
Yeah,
It's still cage in here now, ain't it?
Yep. Taking everything apart, repainting it, getting the new dash, steel floor.
Hey, that floor, it's about to give on you.
Oh yeah, that's already is. I've already looked at it 3 times. Right there, all behind there.
See, I was wondering was I just tripping or was it really doing it?
Oh no.
It's really doing it.
Everything is moving in there. Seat, floor, everything.
How many 18s in there?
8.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.